Hey, welcome guys. This is the first video of the channel 790 Studio. It's going to be a channel that's going to be geared towards people in film, photography, and it's going to be a collaboration with me and a whole bunch of other people. Now today is going to be a short video only because I'm trying to fix this Saramonic problem that I've been having. This is not going to be a review that I'm doing on the microphone system today because there's so many other great guys that have covered this. That's why I actually bought it. So today I'm just going to cover the problem that I first had with it. When you first buy this right out of the box, you can use one mic, A or B channel, but it comes both on A channel. So if you turn both of the mics on, you're going to hear some sort of sound or garbling sound or sounds like a turkey in the background or interference. So it can't work. When I was the first day on the set, I tried it, didn't work. Didn't have time to troubleshoot it, so I went to the old trusty wired microphone system. So today I'm just going to show you quickly how to do that, and here we go. First, you turn it on by holding down the little power button for 2 seconds and gets it going on, right? Now it's on A, B channel. What I suggest you do is mark A and B like I have here on this so that you pretty much know which mic is which. Press the button that says set for 2 seconds, and then the up and down plus and minus arrow, just plus and minus until you reach to where it says, go to group B settings where it says power on. Hold down the set button for 2 seconds, it highlights power on. Go to the plus or minus and it'll say power it on, right? Then press the set button to set it. It'll take a few minutes just to initiate that, and it's going to be powered on. That's the first step. Next thing, scroll back through the menu to Group A settings, where it says Group A, and it gives you the channel. Hold down the set button again for 2 seconds till it highlights the channel. It's on channel 1 by default. And then scroll, put it on channel 2 or 3, whichever your preference. I put it on 2. Hit the set button, set that up. Now that's on the receiver, which is the RX9 receiver. Then you can go to, if you've labeled your microphone like how I have A or B, go to the B, power that on, hold it for 2 seconds, it powers on. Go to the set, hit that for 2 seconds, then just scroll up and down till you get to Group A, where you see Group A, hold down the set button, 2 seconds. Hit the plus or minus to power through to the group you want, which is you're putting it to Group B. Press the set button. Now scroll to the channel setting. It says channel setting up top, and it's probably defaulted to channel 01. I like to change this, so I'll put it on channel 2. Hold down the set button again till it highlights. Press the plus or minus until you get to your desired channel. It's going to be channel 2, which I have it on, frequency 556.920 megahertz. Hit the set button. So you have the B, you have the A, both should be working, and that's what I wanted to bring to you today, that you can get good quality sound of these. Like I said, I won't go into any review. You can check some other people out there, but that's all. See you next time.